My truck broke down. I've been having this problem since the freeze last year. Got the truck pulled up, got the canopy up. Back in January when it froze, when we had that freeze over here in South Texas, well, the second day when it warmed up to about 30 degrees, 35 degrees, I went to town. I live about 12 miles away from Port Lavaca. Past 50 miles an hour, then wouldn't go past 20. Anyways, it cleared up, but then I started having a hard start. So this is more than likely my culprit right here. My test port is right there where this mounts, where that tube goes. Well, I don't know what thread it is, and this truck came with an electric lift pump, not a manual, and so it doesn't have the test port, so I can't really test my pressure.